Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. This is Exotica Mulberry. We got this from the National Germplasm Repository a couple years ago, and then we've grown it out to verify the fruit, and it is a, oops, I lost that one. It is a lavender mulberry that this isn't quite ripe, but it'll ripen into a deeper purple. It's a slow grower. But it does produce. And the berries have that kind of lighter flavor that you don't get in a dark mulberry. It's more sweet than it is tart, so you get kind of just that honey sweet taste to it with a little flavor. Here's a better example. This one is on its way to ripening, and this one right here is ripe. So let's try that. And that's good. That's pretty good mulberry for a light colored or lighter colored mulberry. This is Exotica Mulberry. It ripens from a light purple to a deeper purple. It's a little slower growing, but it's a good addition to our orchard here. It will certainly add some color to our farm stand when we go to sell these when it gets bigger and we can harvest more of them.